I am finally gonna travel outside Delhi after like almost a year, and I am so excited. I haven't slept since last night. I have been dancing around. I have been in such a I can't even describe how I've been feeling, but I've been so fucking happy. And I have decided that I'm gonna vlog this whole trip. I'm going to Jaipur with my cousins, like with my family basically. So yeah. It is so fucking cold. I cannot explain. I don't know what the temperature is. Wait. ओए वंश टेम्परेचर क्या है देखियो 14 बस. It definitely doesn't feel like 14 degrees. It is way less than that. We're waiting at a petrol pump right now for my cousins. They're coming from Panipat, so we're waiting for them. It's so cold and I'm wearing this. This is so thin. ये हमारे स्ट्रगल्स है चेरी के साथ फोटो खिंचाने के. I personally think that this one looks cuter on me than the pink one, and yes, she has stolen my beanie, and I don't know what is the problem. It's not even looking good on her. Who's here? Look who! Please, stop it, Manna.
Guppy!
ओ पता नहीं जी कौन सा नशा करता है. सारे सोने के तरीके एक तरफ. ये देख लो. ओ ये quick update that we have reached to see this show competition. दिखी नहीं जेरी के नीचे से ढूंढना पड़ रहा है. It's the next morning and I was so fucking drunk last night, but it was really fun. So now I am going to get a tattoo, so I'm gonna take a shower and you guys just look at the sunlight. This is so pretty. It's hurting my eyes a little, but it's just so pretty. Anyway, we are going out to get tattoos. I have to get 2 tattoos. I will show you all once I reach there and I get them done. So yeah. वो लिखवाएगी भी नहीं. She's doing my assignment. We just came back from getting our tattoos done. I got 2 of them done. One is this one, which means it's all written in Arabic, and the other is this one, which means God is greater than my highs and lows. 2 of my sisters also got inked, and my brother as well. Come here. This is my birthday twin, by the way. She got हमारे कल के नशे उतरे नहीं है. So she got 2 of them. One she got ringed. Wow. One of them is ringed, and this is Yukio, which means
unbothered from everything and live in the moment.
And she got a very hot tattoo.
Yes, very hot. Sure.
It's here and it's written "Know Your Birth," which is very cool and badass. So fuck.
One more.
Yeah, she got this as well. My brother also got a tattoo done, which is this one. Basic bitch. Day 3 and we are planning to stay one more day because we're planning to explore Jaipur a little. We always come and stick to like the basics. We just don't. Yeah, you get it, okay? So now that I'm totally ready, like we are already very late, obviously. But now I'm ready and I'm going to show you my outfit. I need to keep my phone on me, but I love the lighting here. Hold up. So basically I'm wearing like a plain white high neck and I'm wearing these sweatpants. I hope you can see them. I love them. I love neons. And
so we're going out now, and then I don't know, we might go to a restaurant or something for, I don't know, let's see. I'll keep you guys updated. Okay, so we are in this well-known market now. I don't know what's its name. What's its name?
Tower.
पता नहीं क्या डिटेल देंगे कौन सा किसी ने hot chocolate and something I don't know, and then we'll go home and party. We're finally ready after
3 hours.
3 hours और हमें बहुत डांट पड़ रही है कि चले जाओ because जयपुर में कर्फ्यू लग जाता है 8 o'clock.
7:30.
हाँ तो then we'll have to come back and it's already 4. But the sunlight is amazing. I'm in love with Jaipur's sunlight. Are you? I am here with these idiots. हम लोग दूसरे कैफे से वॉकआउट कर रहे हैं क्योंकि हमें वो एंटरटेन नहीं कर रहे. एंटरटेन एज हमें इतना पसंद नहीं आ रहा. हम इससे पहले इतनी सुंदर जगह पे गए but then some of us had a problem with the menu कि नहीं we want this. Now we're stepping out of a second cafe and ये हमारी वैसे भी लास्ट चॉइस थी because already 2-3 जगहें तो बंद है. Now घूम फिर के we're going to this sushi place to have sushi and now I'm not even embarrassed now क्योंकि अब तो हो ही चुका है ना और मेरी आउटफिट वेस्ट हो चुकी है, मेरा मेकअप वेस्ट हो चुका है. I have 0 pictures but this is the thrill of our trip. Highlight. The sushi place has also disappointed us. This is only veg and we came here with a lot of expectations. And just in case you're wondering why I have a pen on here, I have to give an exam right now. मेरे साथ बहुत बड़ी बीटी हो चुकी है. I was curling my hair and like this is curled and light चली गई. So मेरे ये बाकी के सारे बाल अभी भी straight है and now I don't know what to do because I am supposed to leave in 5 minutes. तो मैंने ना ये सब अपनी जैकेट के अंदर घुसा लिए हैं ताकि ये दिखे ना. But obviously ये दिखी जाएंगे ना एक पॉइंट पे तो पता चल जाएगा. एंड ये देखना आई एम लुकिंग लाइक अ फूल फॉर हैविंग हाफ ऑफ माई हेयर कर्ल्ड एंड द अदर हाफ straight. Not even perfectly straight. Other than my hair, I am ready and I am going out with my family for like some coffee and like just to chill. We're going out to this, I don't know where because I'm not gonna even say the place because after what happened yesterday, I don't know where we're going. So yeah, and then we're leaving for Delhi tomorrow. We had so much fun. It was really fun and I love Jaipur even though I didn't really explore a lot of it, but the vibe here, it's just so, after being in Delhi this place looks so it's so calm as compared to Delhi and I love that. Jaipur ki best thing is the sunlight. I am not lying, no cap. Best thing is the sunlight. Just look at this. Woohoo. Okay, bye. Please like, comment, share, subscribe. Please don't forget to subscribe. I will come for you if you don't subscribe. Bye. And if you are on Mannat's private, please watch her live video which she uploaded day before yesterday. She was really drunk and she spoke for I guess 30 minutes straight. 2 hot chocolate hai.